What's going on, guys? My name is Christopher and welcome to It's Complicated, the show where I talk about and showcase wristwatches. So if you love watches like I do, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, then click on the bell and you'll be all set. Today, we're going to be trying to remove some scratches out of the crystal on my Omega Speedmaster Professional using some Polywatch. I got a couple really deep scratches right where the seconds subdial is, right above the 40 there. Here we go. All right, here we have my Omega Speedmaster Professional. I've had it just about 5 months and I've put some pretty decent nicks into it. There's one there. If you look at the right subdial at the bottom, there's a real deep one by the second hand subdial there, right above where that light's reflecting. And up here, I've knocked it around, banged it around. So grabbed myself some Polywatch. Now I picked this up on Amazon with Prime 2-day shipping for $8. I've also heard you could use toothpaste, and I probably won't do this every 5 months. It's probably gonna be like a once a year type of treat, but I figured since I did just pick up the Polywatch, I could make a video and show you guys how well it works. Apply some of this on. There we go. Then you take a soft cloth and rub it in there. The rag's pretty much dried up, so we're going to put some more on. And you can see that deep scratch on that second hand subdial is still there, but everything else is pretty much gone, and I'm gonna keep trying to get that scratch out. It's definitely coming out. It's still fucking there. What a resilient bastard. It's getting there though. It's just barely hanging on. We'll do a little more and hopefully this is the last time. Nope, still there. I'm so close. I think that's it. And there you have it. Looks just as it did when I bought it. The two scratches above the 40 on the second subdial really did take some work to get out. Probably 16 or 17 minutes of touch and go, off and on polishing. But it's pretty damn perfect right now. And there you have it, guys. I think it worked out really well. Did take a lot of elbow grease, like I mentioned, to get those really deep scratches out, but the minor abrasions, or the minor scuffs, if you will, came right out, no sweat. I wonder if there's a cheaper alternative that's just as good to use, considering this stuff is $8 for less than 1/4 of an ounce. Do you have some Polywatch sitting in your junk drawer right now? Do you know of a cheaper alternative? Let me know. And that wraps up another episode of It's Complicated. Don't forget to subscribe to the show, like this video, share it with all your friends, and I'll see you guys next time on another episode of It's Complicated.